Oh my.
You're doing a great job. You're making a good sound.
He has some lungs on him, doesn't he?
He's making a lot of sound. Yeah. Don't bite it. Don't eat it. Hey, you were almost to make a different sound. If you tighten up on just a little bit, not bite it hard, just a little bit. If you laugh a little bit less. Oh. He's not going to be able to play for a while until he gets done being tickled. You got it? Okay, go serious.
He doesn't let him.
Hold it up.
Roy, he's Parker. He doesn't want to be
I know.
serious. He's just being silly now.
Yeah.
Hey, Parker, make it sound like a goose.
Go. Honk, 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 honk. You have to blow in it to make noise. You know that, right? Remember blowing? That was before laughter, wasn't it? Okay, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You've done it a lot of times. Lip. No, not those four. No, there you go. Good job. Good job. You put your mouth halfway on. Okay, a little bit less. There we go. And I'm going to help you with this. I made a little difference.
Wow, he's getting some what's that called? That quiver on there?
No, that's me.
Oh, that's you.
I'm trying to help you.
There you go.
There we go.
Ooh, you're making music.
He's like, no, don't pull out on that one. There you go. That one makes a real high note. You have to think high. Think. Like you're gonna whistle a real high note. There we go. That's the high note you're looking for. That's the high note. It's like. Da, da. There we go. That's it. That's it. Da, da.
That sounds sick.
Now. You make a little squeak is what you did.
Can I find a new note?
There's ones over here. You want to make a low note?
Whoa.
Okay, keep blowing. Yeah.